Hey guys, welcome to 4340. I am very happy to have the chance to work with you guys again. I just wanted to mention a couple of things. Please make note of the deadlines. Every week we have a Wednesday deadline, a Saturday deadline, and a Sunday deadline. So Wednesday is your initial post, Saturday your replies to others are due, and then on Sunday your assignment for the week is due. My expectations are much higher now because you've had quite a bit of time to practice writing and to practice using APA formats. So please make sure that you're taking time on your assignments to develop your work, explain information clearly, and cite as appropriate. The other thing is, this is sometimes the hardest period in the whole program because you've been pushing for a really long time, you're almost to the end, and you're tired. So just be aware of that and make sure that you participate early and often. Don't let yourself fall behind. And if you have any questions, please be sure to let me know. Have a great day, guys.